DC generator testing SP210EL type shunt. Here is one 1.5 HP DC generator and 1 HP DC 1.5 HP DC motor and 1 HP DC generator. In this device we can test the our various speed control of DC shunt motor and characteristic of DC shunt generator. In here we can run two type of test in shunt motor: speed control of DC motor by armature voltage control method, and another is speed control of DC shunt motor by field current control. First of all, we connect the DC shunt motor test by this way. Here is 1.5 HP DC shunt motor. It has around 6 to 7 ampere current rating. So we need to set the power supply. We need to choose the armature power supply 8 ampere DC. Do not apply 4 ampere DC. So here we have to identify first the knob of the output. Rotate this toward the 0 point. You have to first identify to this, and another way then we can start the connection diagram without opening your power supply. Do not open first this MCB. First you connect the first the 0 to 8 ampere output DC high first voltmeter to parallel, and voltmeter to ammeter, and ammeter to armature first, and ground terminal of armature is connect to AA- to a negative terminal. And if you want to control the voltage of DC shunt motor by voltage control, speed of shunt motor by voltage control, you can directly apply the 220 volt DC out directly, but I am going to run two practical at same time. That's why I have applied variable DC voltage to armature of DC shunt motor. Okay, here is negative of DC ammeter direct to field, and field negative terminal is connected directly to field. First of all, we remove this terminal and also remove this terminal to set the DC volt how much we apply. In part 2, we have to first check the how much voltage we apply from this side. Variable (220 volt) side. Then we have to set it in 200 near our 220 volt. Then we apply the armature reading to armature, and current is current. Apply from here to here. First of all, for armature control method, we have to increase the voltage. Correspondingly, check the connection is right or bad. First, this terminal is to connect this terminal, and slowly we increase the voltage, and speed of motor is increases. And note down the voltage and current, armature current, correspondingly at your lab manual. Increase, increase, test. For field current control method, we have to apply the armature voltage around some voltage like 150, 140, and fix it armature voltage, and reduce the field current by reducing the field voltage. At this condition, you can note down the field current is reduced, and also note down the speed of motor. When you reduce the current, the speed of motor is also going to increase. Okay. By this way you can complete your experiment. Thank you. In case of motor, you can follow the generator, you can follow the lab instruction manual.